Welcome to another episode of the vlog. This week, Amazon started selling poppies for the Legion, and I just got mine in the mail. And I'm actually kidding. They didn't send it in this box. I thought they might, but they didn't. They sent it in an envelope instead. Because a poppy's just little, you know. You put it on your shirt. And but I thought that'd be funny, so they sent in this package and set up the camera on the tripod so that I can show you the unboxing. I should also point out we're in the Dagley studio where we normally shoot the Not a Chicken Line podcast. So this is the Amazon envelope. Open here. And inside should be our poppy. So it's in a little envelope. It's got a tag for the Legion on the back. Royal Canadian Legion Poppy Fund. Oh, and so on their website, you can do $2, $5, $10, and so on. And it's set up the same if you see any of the Legion members, you know, in the grocery stores or the malls or what have you. So let's see if I can open this up. Yeah, so it's just like almost like a wax paper. Kind of gotta get that sticker off. There's the poppy. Just like the ones you'd get at the store. Let's see if I can do this without stabbing myself. It's always the problem. I'm sure everyone's going to say I put it on wrong, but in the comments, tell me how you wear your poppy, how you attach it, because I'm always losing mine. And then it just says, lest we forget, on the card that was inside. Thank you for honoring Canada's fallen and supporting veterans and their families. So that is the poppy on Amazon. They also have a store for the Legion, the Poppy Store, I believe it's called. Gilbert, what are you doing? You want to be in the video? He just came down here and opened the door when I was trying to shoot this vlog. Say hi, Gilbert. He doesn't look impressed, does he? All right, we'll put you on the vlog another time. All right, so that's the poppy from Amazon, from the Legion store. The Legion also has something called the Poppy Store, and those products are directly from the Legion. It was mostly poppies on Amazon, and there was one LED poppy light. Basically, you can light that up and put it in your window during Remembrance Day. All right. Oh, and while I have you here, the Laker News is going to be doing a live stream of the Remembrance Day at the Waverley Legion. So make sure you check that out on thelaker.ca. Vlog.dagleymedia.com for more episodes. Until the next time.